Hi, Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax in Fort Myers, Florida, and today I'm excited to bring you a 250 Outrage Boston whaler. This is a 2019, it's got about 65 hours on it, super nice boat, got lots of great equipment on it. Let's do a quick walkthrough. One of the things you're going to notice, as always on the Boston whalers, here on the transom, we've got a nice big walk area with the ladder that drops down in the back. And once again, I want to let you know these Mercury 225s are both running right now. And as you can see, we're actually making a little forward momentum, so that's how quiet and how smooth they are. As we walk through the transom, you're going to notice the transom door here that can be closed. And then, of course, one of the nice things on the back of any of our whalers is the big seat that'll fold up out of the way for fishing, or a great spot for a couple of people to ride. You've got the fish boxes under each side. More detail in our photos on the listing here, and a neat storage area back here for your hose and some other gear as well. Rod racks on both sides, and of course a big deep live bait well with the rounded corners, blue color and lighting, so that it'll keep your bait in absolutely great shape. As we head up towards the helm, we'll swing around and take a look, but we've got our bolsters so that you can put them up so that you can stand and drive. Of course, they'll sit down so that you can sit up there and enjoy. And this great hard top so that you're in out of the weather. And obviously, we've got the vent on the front that's electric, that'll open and close. Radio box above, storage area for your life jackets and other equipment. This boat is featured with great Simrad electronics, as well as obviously the Merc vessel view, and as I mentioned, we got about 65 hours on this boat. Fusion stereo system, got the Icon VHF radio, and of course the digital shift and throttle controls. One of the nice features on the 250, a lot of center consoles have a head under the console. This one is a nice big vacuum flush head. So it's got a holding tank, takes everything towards the back. Window that opens up for ventilation, and of course your main distribution electrical panel and the Fusion radio as well. So as we go to the front, got a nice great seating area up here on the front. Two people can sit very comfortably. Armrest will raise up out of the way so that if you are fishing up here, you can get that out of the way as well. And then big storage area under this seat. Another fish box up here in the front. And this boat is equipped with the electric anchor windlass on the bow as well. Notice the rod holders here that obviously if we're fishing from the bow you can use, but this also has the shade that runs from the hardtop all the way to the front, the fly, so that you got plenty of room. Seating and cushions in the bow, and of course those will come up so that if you want to use that as a fishing platform, you can. Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax in Fort Myers. Absolutely wonderful 2019 250 Outrage. This boat is absolutely ready to go wherever you are here in Florida or one of the inland lakes as well. Give me a call, we'll get you fixed up.